Hello my dear friends, my name is Olga. I am healthy vegan pastry chef and today I want to share with you the recipe of dairy-free, eggs-free, absolutely wholesome caramel ice cream. And the first thing that I want to tell you is the difference between sugar-free and no sugar added recipes. So we're going to make a no sugar added ice cream. What does it mean? It means that we will not be using any syrups and of course no any refined sugar, but we're going to use dried fruits, and naturally these dry fruits occur sugar. So we're going to use dates to sweeten our ice cream and it will be absolutely amazing for our kids. However, if you find no sugar products, it means that these products do not contain any refined sugar, any natural sugar, any syrups, any fruits, berries, etc. Those products without sugar, sugar-free products, can't contain dates, for example. However, as I told you, we make no sugar added ice cream. We will not be using any maple, agave, coconut nectar. We will not be using white sugar, brown sugar, something like this. We will be using natural sweetener. We will be using magic dates. So let's get started. Our ice cream will be based on cashews. Cashews I soaked into filtered water for minimum 4 hours. Overnight is totally okay. It is rinsed and now it has like white color and it is super soft to make ice cream. A second ingredient that we're going to use to make a caramel flavor will be almond butter. Also, the main liquid is almond milk. Honestly, you can use any plant-based milk, but to boost caramel flavor, almond butter and almond milk would be perfect. Natural sweetener. This is dates. It's 8 magic dates without pits and I soaked it in really hot water for minimum 30 minutes. Coconut oil, melted coconut oil, extra virgin will be added into our ice cream, and this is a little bit of spices. Some regular spices is vanilla extract and salt, and 2 spices, both are optional. It's Ceylon cinnamon and this is Mesquite powder. Mesquite powder, it's a superfood and it is totally optional. It's not easy to find in any store or any country or city, but if you ever have this spice, this superfood, you can make amazing caramel cakes, amazing caramel cheesecake. So now we will be making very delicious caramel ice cream, and if you ever own this superfood, please try my carrot cake. There you will find the recipe of caramel cheesecake and like caramel, like for like caramel sauce. So that is all very easy ingredients, and we grab our high-speed blender. We're going to add all ingredients into our high-speed blender except coconut oil. So this is cashews, almond milk, magic dates, vanilla extract, Ceylon cinnamon, Mesquite powder, salt and almond butter. Now let's blend everything into completely smooth consistency, and at the end we will add coconut oil. Now, using a low speed, we add slowly coconut oil. Here you are. This is our butter. It has amazing caramel color. It smells like caramel. Let's grab our popsicle molds. So here you are my popsicle molds. I want to insert these wooden sticks first. And let's pour our caramel ice cream. Let's sweeten up a little bit. If you poured more ice cream than your cavities have, you can scrub it with the spatula. Tap a few times to make even top layer. Here you are, and freeze it until it becomes very, very hard. And then we will cover it with a chocolate. If you have any leftovers that didn't come into silicone molds, just pour it into ice cream container or any bowl. I have such beautiful ice cream container. I will give you the link where to buy it. I found it's very useful and it prevents my ice cream from crystallizing. If you don't make popsicles, if you don't use silicone molds and you want to make just like a regular ice cream and serve it with like balls, so pour it into such container or any other bowl, and you need to stir your ice cream each 30-40 minutes, minimum 3-4 times. Let's glaze our popsicles. I just tempered my chocolate that you can find on my YouTube channel via this link. And if you don't want to make your own chocolate, you honestly can buy healthy chocolate in the store. You need about 200-250 grams and melt it. But if you want to make it absolutely healthful, please make your own chocolate. I'm adding this chocolate here. And first for popsicles I want to make only with chocolate without nuts, and later I will add nuts inside of my chocolate. The working temperature for dipping our popsicles is 88-92 Fahrenheit. In this case your chocolate quite liquid, and it means that your popsicles will have very thin and crispy chocolate layer. I prepared a board with the parchment paper. I'm unmolding my popsicles. Just see how they are beautiful. And the process is super fast. Just dip it and take away. You may see that it is becoming matte very, very fast. It's really easy to understand because our popsicles are very, very cold. So here you are, chocolate set, and we put it on parchment paper. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Wait for about like 5-10 seconds. Everywhere it becomes matte and put on parchment paper. And you may see there is no any chocolate mess here.